Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 28th July to 1st August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So here, first let's see what happened in USD in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.05% negative move, 1.17410 was the closing. So now we'll be talking about some important support zone and we'll give could happen in this week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check first our weekly chart. So here I have already opened the weekly chart. As you can see here, we can see a bullish candle with a medium body, a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. Here the stochastic RSI is around 70 to 55 range, which gives a slight negative momentum, but as I always say, we should not always rely on RSI or any indicators as such. We should also look for important other factors which are more important, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So as you can see, there are some data which has already been marked. I'll just check whether I need to do any changes or not. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So currently, if I see the data, there is no such any data which I have to do any markings or I have to change any data. So let's straight talk about our closing. So here 1.17410 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.16921, direct resistance is 1.17454. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16500 and then 1.16000. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17882 and then 1.18202. Also, if you're thinking, so these are some important support and resistance zones. Do mark on the same levels on your chart as well. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to the previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative to sideways move. I'm expecting a closing around 1.16921 to 1.17454. If we see a good volume, then we can also see in this range, that is 1.16500 to 1.16921. we can see a closing in this range also. Overall, my expectation is in negative move or negative closing for this week. If you're looking for any positive move, then you can get a scalp for a small trade. Like if one day candle closes above 1.17454, then you will be able to see a move till 1.17882. You will only see a big move once this level breaches, that is 1.17882. then we'll be able to see a good upside move, or else we'll see a move till this range. Overall, my expectation is negative move. What are your expectations? Just do let me know in the comment section. And if you like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.